Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher Karachi.
Did you know the sound of K? Hey! Now read with me, hooray! Hooray!
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
K is for kangaroo, it jumps so high. Boing, boing! K is for kite, it flies up in the sky. K is for key, it opens up the door. Bye-bye, friends. See you next day. We'll learn new sounds. Hip, hip, hooray!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content.
If you want to purchase the books, then contact Aftab Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.